Hello, and you're very welcome to this lesson on learning how to graph functions. Today we're going to learn how to graph a linear function, which is a straight line. We're given a function here of f of x is 2x plus 3, and we're told to graph in the domain of minus 4 is less than or equal to x or less than to equal to 2. Now, how we go about doing this is simple. We do our usual table. So we have our x values, or our inputs. We have our function, which is 2x plus 3. And then we have our outputs, which is our f of x, or our y value. So, because we know it's a straight line, and we know it's a straight line because we've got the value 2x there, so it's a singular x and a constant, so we know it's going to be a straight line, we don't have to do the long way. The long way would be finding out all the outputs for minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1 and 2. So all we have to do now is input the two outside numbers, so the minus 4 and the 2. So let's go right ahead and put that into our table. So we put in our minus 4 as an input, and we put in 2 as an input. Now, let's sub them into our function. So we've 2x plus 3, so we've 2, swap the minus 4 for the x, plus 3. And here we've got 2, swap the x for the 2, brackets 2 plus 3. Now let's work them out. 2 by minus 4 is equal to minus 8, plus 3 is minus 5. So let's put that into our output there of minus 5. 2 2's are 4, plus 3 is 7. So let's put 7 into our output there. So now we can match up our points. So our x value is minus 4, my y value is minus 5, so now I have a set of points that I can plot. My x value is 2, my y value is 7, and now I have a second set of points I can plot. Now what I need to do, taking this information, I now need to draw a graph with this. So, time to get out our graph paper and ruler. I need to draw myself a graph. So you can see I already have the graph paper here. And if I can get this ruler to 90 degrees, that will be amazing. Oh my God, so close. Last time now, let's try. Yes, excellent. There we go. Okay, so I now need to draw my my y-axis. We know my highest number on my y-axis is 7, and my lowest number on my y-axis is minus 5. So let's make sure I have enough points there for that. So if I start here, I'm going to go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. And I'm going to write all those points in there now as well to make sure I'm right. So I've got, hang on a second now. I've got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Let's just delete that slightly. Minus 1. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now I need to draw my x-axis. So the ruler comes back out. I go to my 0 line. And I'm going to line this up there. Again, of course, it won't line up nice for me, will it? Ah, so close. Why does it have to be 1 degree? Make it 0. There we go. Excellent. And now I'm going to draw across my x-axis. My x-axis, as I can see, is going to go between minus 4 and 2. So to the right-hand side of my 0, I'm going to have 2. So I'm going to draw that in there. So 1, 2. And to my left-hand side, it goes to minus 4. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And there we go. Just have to label them now. So 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now I need to plot my points. So I have my 2 points, which is minus 4, minus 5. So let's go about plotting them. So I go to my x-axis, which is here, and I go to -4, which is there. My -5 then is on my y-axis down here. So I need to dot across here, and I get my point there. -4, -5 is there. Okay. My next point then is the point 2, 7. So that means 2 across on the x-axis and 7 up on the y-axis. So I find my point is up here, 2, 7. Perfect. So now that I've got my 2 points labelled, I now out of pop with the ruler again. And what's going to happen now, I'm going to draw a line between those 2 points there. So I'm going to use a green pen for this, just because, why not? And there we go, you can see yourself, I've said I'm a little bit off, but you can see that I've now matched the 2 lines there. Happy days. And that is how you go about graphing functions when I'm given the function, the domain for a linear function. I figure out my table, get my 2 points, and then draw myself the graph. Thanks for watching, folks. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. If there's any other videos you want me to do, please ask in the comments as well. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe, and watch some of the other videos on the channel. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye.